This setup is for processing alluvial diamond and kimberlite diamond mixture material. Main processing includes feeding, washing, crushing, screening, and diamond jig separation. This plant will recover free diamonds and diamonds in the rock by the jig separator. Easy operation and maintenance. 1. Raw material feed to vibration feeder. The feeder is with the grizzly bar to remove the big stone and can break down the smaller alluvial, raw material roughly by spraying high-pressure water. Feed material smoothly to trommel scrubber. The oversized big stone will send to the crushing plant's storage bin. 2. Trommel scrubber is for washing clean the sticky clay, with 2 layers poo screen out above 25 mm sending to crushing plant. 0 to 25 mm go to high-frequency vibration screen. 3. Vibration screen is a high-frequency type, with 2 poo screens of 25 mm and 1 mm, for removing the 0 to 1 mm waste slurry, and screen out 1 to 25 mm that contains a diamond. 4. The crushing plant is for crushing kimberlite diamond to below 25 mm. It is with primary jaw crusher for crush big rock to a smaller size, then use fine jaw crusher to crush below 25 mm. Output from fine jaw crusher goes to this vibration screen to screen out above 25 mm. Send back to crush again. 5. All 1 to 25 mm from vibration screen will go to jig separator by belt conveyor, and distribute to several sets jig separator to get diamond concentrate ore. If want higher purity diamond, the concentrate ore can go to X-ray sorter machine to select out diamond. This setup diamond processing plant is a low investment, has easy operation and installation, a simple flowchart, good recovery effect. Very popular in Angola, Tanzania, DR Congo, Namibia, etc. Process capacity can be provided as per request. A flowchart can be customized as per material conditions.